If you want the details, stay tuned. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome, loves. So this was a recording from one of the sewings I did. And as you guys can see, I've already pressed her edges with a pressing comb. And I'm going in with a little bit of beeswax. And I'm just going to apply it to the hair. As I apply it, I am combing it into the hair so that I know how much product I'm using and if I may need a little more. So just a quick tip for you guys. I actually put the jar of beeswax slightly in front of my hot comb stove, and I don't put it directly in front of it because the jar is plastic and it will melt, but I put it close enough to where it can feel the heat, and as it warms up, it does soften up, making it much easier to apply. Like as you guys see, it literally went on like butter. So as I'm combing it into it, I am forming her swoops, and I'm using just a regular comb to do so. And I'm combing the hair behind the swoop as well to just ensure that it's all smooth and seamless. And you can do your swoops however you like them or however your client wants them. This is just the method that I do, and it's just a soft, sleek look. And even her sideburns, like I did not pre-curl any of the hair. We're just doing a soft finish. And her little giggle right here was so cute, so I had to keep this clip. I'm using the back of the comb to smooth as well. Like use the full comb to your advantage. Here I'm going in with a little bit of Sebastian Shaper Plus spray, the white can, and then I'm following right behind it with the blow dryer. And I don't really spray until I have it formed close to my liking as possible. Once you spray any spritz or holding spray, that solidifies the swoop or however you have the hair molded. Like you don't want to keep going over it once you do spray and go over it with the blow dryer. So that's pretty much it. This is the final look. This is how it turned out. She got a bust down, middle part sew in, and I love this. It's so flat and flawless. Thank y'all for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe.